Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to host your local development server like localhost to the cloud using Cloudflare tunnel and share it to anyone over the internet securely. So let's get started. So before we begin, make sure you have any local server running. So I will show you. I have one of my local server running. So you can see here. So I will type localhost. So you can see here I have typed my localhost running in this server. So 5173 is the port, so I will run it. So you can see here this is the basic my React app, so which is running in the localhost. Same I will show you how you can make this accessible through the cloud URL over the internet. So for that we are going to use Cloudflare tunnel. So I will just tell you how to install it. So for that first we have to install Cloudflare tunnel. So I will show you. So I will just check the Cloudflare version. So there is no Cloudflare found. So I will type the command to install it. This is the command to install the Cloudflare. Brew install Cloudflare/Cloudflared. So you can see this command Cloudflare and last it is Cloudflared. So I will hit enter. So you can see here that brew started installing it. So you can see here that downloading has started Cloudflare. So I will maximize this. So you can see here Cloudflare had installed. So I will clear the screen. So now again I will check the version. So now you can see here Cloudflare, we have installed it just now. So I will make that URL to run. So this is the URL, so I will copy it. I copied it. So we have to type the command Cloudflared. So Cloudflare tunnel -- URL. Then you paste that localhost which is running in your laptop. So I will hit enter. So you can see here it is generating one URL. So it has generated. So you can see here your Cloudflare tunnel has been created. Visit it. So here is the URL we got for that. So I will just copy this URL. I have opened a new tab and I will paste that URL. So you can see here this is running in the localhost 5173 and I will open this new URL. I have opened a new tab and I have pasted the new URL and I will hit enter. So you can see here there is an error. So we have to add this in this won't come in your case. I'll just add this here. So you can see here I have opened a new tab and I will paste the same URL and I will hit enter. So now you can see that with this URL that same web page is opening which is running in my localhost. So same URL you can share with your friends and over the internet they will be able to access your local development server which is running in your laptop. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching.